Hey guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be down at the North American In-Water Boat Show here at Cedar Point Marina in Sandusky, Ohio. You guys, I love to kick the whole boating season off with this show. Fantastic place to be. So while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting things to talk to you guys about. And I found one of our good friends, Al Ammerman. Al, how are you, sir? Sirocco Marine.
Yes, sir. Very good.
Al, it's always a pleasure to see you, my man.
Good to see you as well.
So you guys have a lot going on over at Sirocco Marine. Talk to us a little bit about what's happening. What's going on in Sirocco?
Well, a whole lot of new boats. But one of the things that we're really getting some traction on is repairs. And the repair end of it is something that our technicians have spent literally decades perfecting. And so that's a big part of it. Repairs. Detailing, as well as one of the things that we're doing this year, more so than any other year, is repairing inflatable paddle boards.
Nice. Well, that's a whole market up here that not a lot of people put their brain around. So Sirocco is the industry leader in Brig Inflatables. You guys are second to none when it comes to Brig, and you handle a lot of different inflatables for maintenance and repairs as well. So you guys are like you guys are like the experts in the industry, and you're covering the whole Ohio coast. Indeed, anywhere southeast Michigan, this whole part of the Great Lakes, you guys can service those boaters.
Yeah, we have people that can't find good service, and we've had them come as far away as New York.
Yeah.
You know, so it's testimony to the word of mouth that we get from people. The good job that we do, our technicians do, and that word of mouth just brings it back to us here in Port Clinton, Ohio.
So talk to me a little bit about how do I maintain my inflatable over, let's say, the course of the season and in expectation of the off season. What should I be doing other than putting it in the water, power washing the bottom, and throwing it inside of my garage?
Now, one of the things that we tell people not to do is power wash.
See, I was wrong already.
Power washing is one of those things that people will get into the seams, open them up, and cause their own problem.
Yeah.
So we really tell people to avoid that. You know, as far as maintaining the boat, one of the best things you can do for any boat, whether it's PVC or a Hypalon, is cover the boat. Keep it clean. If you see mold or mildew on it, make sure that you get some Clorox and you clean that.
So some good bleach.
Because that mold will get into the seams and eat away at the glue.
Yeah.
So, you know, one, cover the boat when you're not using it, if at all possible. Most people do, but if you can do that, that'll prolong the life. Keep it clean, and then have a reputable, technician take a look at it and service it. If it's getting soft on you, there's a reason it's getting soft on you.
Okay.
And don't run the boat, with underinflated, because you will destroy it.
Yeah. So what's a good inflated level, PSI, that I should be thinking about when it comes to taking care of my boat, not only out during the season when I'm running the boat, but specifically, what should I keep it at in the off season when I'm storing it?
Well, the ideal pounds per square inch is 3.
Okay.
And that's not very much, and most people don't have anything to measure that. So use the foot pump that came with your boat, or the hand pump. Those are pretty much limited. You can use them until your leg bothers you or your back bothers you from pushing down on a pump, but it'll max out. Don't ever use an air compressor, because they'll just pump up way beyond the manufacturer's recommendation of 3 pounds, and then you'll burst the seam.
So my car tires are 35 pounds per square inch. So you're saying I only need to go 3 pounds per square inch? Now, a basketball is more than that, isn't it?
Yeah, but you have to look at the volume.
Yeah.
All right, so it's 3 pounds, and almost all the manufacturers are identical. It may vary from 3 to 3.3.
Yeah.
But, as a rule of thumb, it's about 3 pounds per square inch. It's in the wintertime, it's because of the contraction, because of the cold, it'll go down, it'll feel soft. Last thing you want to do is pump it up real hard and then forget about it in the spring when it starts to get warm, because then it could exceed, and you don't want to do that. So let a little air out in the wintertime. In the springtime, when you're about ready to use it, get your foot pump out or your hand pump, bring it back up to your 3 pounds, and you're ready to go.
Let's say I tear it. I got a hole in it. What do I do? I mean, I'm thinking I got to go get some string and start tying it together and put a little glue on there, hope for the best. What do you do?
Duct tape. No.
3M it.
Bring it into a technician that can prepare it and make it seaworthy again.
Yeah.
And it depends on the extent of the tear. But most people aren't capable of repairing on their own.
Sure.
So it's a 2-part system, and it's the right system for whether it's PVC or Hypalon. And there's 2 different systems that we use. So you want to make sure, one, you can identify whether your boat's PVC or Hypalon. And once you do, take it to somebody that will give you the right ingredients for your own repair. If you want to buy a patch and you want to do it yourself, then just get the right adhesives.
Good luck with it. Aluminum, fiberglass, and soft bottom. Those are the 3 hull types that I'm familiar with inflatables.
Right.
Tell me, what is the best and why?
Well, obviously, Brig thinks that the best is fiberglass because all of our boats' bottoms are fiberglass.
Okay.
We do have an off-brand called Sirocco that we do make some aluminum, but the majority of the Brig boats are all fiberglass.
Okay.
Easy to maintain. They just are a great surface and a great ride, and the right angles for using the minimum amount of horsepower to get you the speed that you want to get.
Okay. Good. So let's say, Al, that I'm not able to make it down to the Cedar Point Boat Show. Where am I going to go online to find out more information about Sirocco Marine, specifically your location there in Port Clinton, Ohio, and how I can get in touch with you guys? How should I go about that?
Just SiroccoMarine.com.
Okay.
There's a dealer. You'll get all the dealers in the Sirocco group are listed. If you're in our area, our telephone number and address are there in Port Clinton.
Perfect. Al, thank you so much, my man.
Thanks, Kyle.
Wonderful stuff you're doing over there at Sirocco Marine. Thank you so much. SiroccoMarine.com, guys. That's where you want to go. If you've got an inflatable, or if you're interested in getting an inflatable, make sure you go by Sirocco Marine. Check out the Brig boats that they have there, plus the maintenance and the help that they can be in multiple different areas to make your boating lifestyle that much better. So thanks so much for joining us today. We'll see you out on the water.
Thank you.